This boring business is helping me make passive income, and I'm going to share it with you right now. As you can see, this is my Stripe account. I'm currently on £1,470 per month in Stripe. Okay, so I'm just proving to you, because I know you need to know that it works. Okay, all I do is cold call customers, cold call people without websites, and I pitch them, hey, I know you didn't have a website, would you want me to make one for you? That is it. It's not difficult. It's very boring, it's very mind-numbing, but it works. And basically this money now just keeps coming in, because once I built the website once, I don't need to build it again. And so they're happy to pay me £50 per month every single month. So I just keep collecting checks. So it's very passive. This is 30 customers that's got me to this point. And so if you were to charge 100 customers, that'd be £5 grand a month. So that's the next goal. I'm gonna show you how I do it right now, really quick. First, you need this lead sniper. This is ideal for people without money. If you have money, you run Facebook and Instagram ads. If you don't, leadsniper.com. It's $149, but it's a Google Maps scraping software. It scrapes every single business. Let's just say you typed in plumber UK, it would scrape every single plumber in the UK. Okay. Then once you have that list of customers, or prospects rather, you filter them in a Google sheet as to which ones have websites and ones that don't have websites. Then guess what you do? The ones that don't have a website, you call them up and say, hey, notice you didn't have a website, would you mind if I send you a demo link? When they say yes, you go to this website here, which is called Go High Level. Now on Go High Level, this is a place that generates templates, AI websites constantly. There's thousands to pick from. So let's just say you were something looking at, let's just say, I don't know, let's just go up here. Eye doctor, meditation services, pest control, tattoo shop, tire shop, architectural studio, lock repairs, hair loss clinics. It doesn't matter. Whatever you can think of, they have it. Let's just go to the tattoo shop one and choose that one, right? I'm going to show you how this editor works in a really, really quick way. There's no code involved. It's just purely drag and drop and typing and editing, and that's it. So once this loads, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Let me move myself here. So this is inside the editor, okay? So for example, where it says tattoo shop, that's your logo. So you can change the image. Let's see what we got here. Image right there. We can change the image. Let's just go to here. I don't know, logo, just type that in. And then whatever comes up, just for the sake of it, let's put this geezer. Perfect. So this is now their logo. Okay. If you want to change these, you can change these. If you want to change that book now button, if you put now your art, your body in London, which is where I am, for example. If you want to change that, if you want to change the design of it, the background color, you don't want it to be red, you want it to be green, you do that. You know, you change the text color to be red, you can do that. It's easy. So you click on the element, you edit the element on this side here. You just literally scroll down the entire page, change their images, change their text to reflect what their company says. So this is in the heart of Dallas. I'll change this to London or wherever in the UK I'm prospecting. Change their services to exactly what they offer, and then their pricing as well. Change their gallery pictures, so obviously their gallery pictures, their artists to their artist pictures, or the owner's pictures, the reviews, and then the company details. And then when you're ready to publish it and make it live, you just literally press save and you click publish, and that is all it takes. There's a little technical step where you need to buy a domain. So at this point you go to like tattoo. So this is the website I use, Namecheap, really easy. So I just say tattoo London Inc.com, for example, right? It's likely that's going to be available. £8.37 per year. Add that to cart, and then inside my full training, I'll teach you exactly how to link that. It's like, it literally takes about 4 minutes to do, and I've got a video here inside my free Skool community where I've got 206 members. I show you exactly step by step how to do it. And if you go to the classroom tab at the top here, how to set up your Go High Level in your Stripe account so you get paid, how to build a website fully. I just touched on it now, but this is a full demonstration, like an hour-long video. How to link clients' domains to your sites you build. This is what I've just mentioned with the Namecheap stuff. How to collect leads from Google Map to cold call. I did that with the Lead Sniper, but it's like a more in-depth video, about 13 minutes long. If you do have 20 to 40 pounds per day, I can show you how to run Facebook and Instagram ads in this training here for more warm inbound leads, and then the scripts you use for warm and cold leads. And that's it, guys. Literally, so far 206 people have gone on this and started to make money. So if they can do it, why can't you? Literally, this is the most boring, laziest business. However, if I go back to my Stripe and I'm jigging it around, this is not AI, it works. It's generating me this amount of money with 30 customers. So if you can do the same with me, trust me, you can do the same with you. I hope this video helps. And if you're interested, click the link below. I'll see you inside the free Skool group. I'll help you get started for free. I'll even help you get your first 5 customers for free. All right, speak to you inside there.